Hello, so today I'm going to be making decoupage shoes. All you will need is a pair of shoes. It can be old so that you can upcycle them, or this is a brand new pair that I've never worn. Some tissue paper, napkin with a nice print, or whatever you want to use, and some PVA glue or Mod Podge, people call it. I've put some water in. It's not much, just to make it a little bit lighter. Right, anyway, so get your tissue paper and try and peel off the back so that it's thinner. Oops, don't rip it. Oh, and you need a brush. I don't know why I'm laughing. Right, so paint your shoe with the PVA. PVA! Sorry, I don't know why it's so funny. I'm in a funny mood. Oh dear. Boing. Right. Sticky, sticky. Right, just get it nice and smooth. Oh, I want a bit more rose, so I'm going to move that. Don't rip it. Oh, I can see this going wrong. Right. Trying not to put bubbles in it. Oopsie. Oopsie daisies. Oh, nice. Oh, and smooth it out like that. It's looking all right. Right, and then obviously do that to your whole shoe. Try and get it as smooth as possible. So I'm just smoothing out those wrinkles there. That I'm just gonna fold over it. Then you join. So just get another bit of tissue. I'm gonna put the rose on there. There we go. The curve is going to be quite difficult. Just take your time. So that's going to just go over there. It's not looking too bad. So do the curve in a few sections of tissue paper, if that makes sense. Oops, why's that come? Oh, it's even thinner. Oh, I'm not going to do that because it's going to rip. Right. Right. And then obviously I'm going to cut this bit off later. Not have any on the saw. Right, and then cover your whole shoe like this. So this is the finished product. Tiny bit wrinkly there. But yeah, overall quite happy with that. What do you think? Hope you like watching this tutorial. Please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe for more DIYs.